What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Rashad here. Kiya here. And what are we doing today? Do you remember what it's called?
No.
Today we are getting ready for new tires tomorrow.
Yeah.
So because we're putting new tires on the beast, we are doing a massive burnout. And what's gonna happen?
There's gonna be a lot of smoke and a lot of noise.
And that's how we like it. So hopefully this goes over smoothly. I'm gonna have 2 cameras trying to get a couple angles and just gonna have some fun, nothing crazy, hopefully. And I've got some noise canceling headphones for Kiya, just so that they don't
Hurt my ears.
the exhaust doesn't hurt her ears, because this thing is wicked at full throttle. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome, and hopefully it makes for an enjoyable video for you guys.
Let's get started. To a secret location. We can't tell you where because that place did not work out very well. But we're heading to a secret location, and I'll get back to you when we're there.